Hey guys, welcome to PC Tips Pro, and in today's video we're gonna see how to make a logo in 5 minutes for free. So before getting into the video, if you guys haven't yet subscribed to the PC Tips Pro, please do subscribe. And now let's get into the video. So firstly, we need a logo making tool in order to make a logo. So the tool that we're gonna use here is the Hoot. So I'll be providing the link in the description for this. And then this is the tool where we're gonna make our logo. So here we have a sample logo, so we can just remove it by clicking on a new. So just click on yes, so this will be erased, and now we got a blank page where we can create our logo. So now we can start creating the logo. So now we need to firstly make an icon for our logo. So in order to make an icon, let's click on add symbol, and here we get different icons and categories here when you click on add symbol like this. So you can choose the category which is more closer to your business and which your business is mostly deals about. So let's say my business deals with fashion. So let's click on fashion, and here you get all the icons for your fashion. So let's say I want to choose so you can just scroll down and you can choose any of this. So let's say I want to choose this, so then you can just drag it here and like this. And now we have picked an icon for our business and for the logo. And then once you have added, once you click on it, this will be added to the page. So let's say you want to change the color of the icon, so click on the place where you want to change the color. So let's say I want to change it here, so you can click here and you can change the color. So whatever color it is which you like, so if you say green, you can change it green or yellow, and you can see how it changes. And if you want to change the color here, you can choose here and you can change it in the same fashion. So I would like to keep it like previous one only, so I just want to go with the pink color only. So we just need to make it somehow darker, so let's do it, and maybe this should be fine. Let's make, you can make any change that you feel like worth doing, like it's all about you. So I feel like this is fine. And then so you have to customize the icon now. So you can click anywhere and you can change. So you can even change this gray color also, but I find it fine with the gray color only. And now let's see how can you make your icon more unique. So you can make your icon more unique by adding one more symbol inside this. So you can just click on add symbol, and you can find other symbol also here, and you can just merge them. Like it's all about your creativity and your thinking, so you can do it. And then let's say I just want to add this. I just want to add this one here, so I can just club them. So I can just make it short, or else I can just drag it here and I can club them like this. You can add other icons and you can make it something like this, or else you can embed them like one on the other. So you can do like that. And then now we have successfully created our icon, and the last step will be adding our brand name to the logo. So in order to do this, let's click on add text. So you get this text option here, you can just drag it like this, and then you can click on add text one more time in order to make it like a tagline for your business or your. So let's make it like this. Yes. So then now enter the text. So this will be your brand name. So you can enter your brand name like your fashion stop. So this will be my brand name. and you can give a tagline with a lower size, be like a one-stop destination for shoppers, or you can say for shoppers. It's all about you, like you can make it more creative also. So let's reduce this size. So in this fashion we can reduce this size also, and you can just drag and drop it here. And then now we have given a text to our brand name for the logo. And then now we have also given the tagline. Now we can we can make it more unique by giving different fonts. So how can you do this? So let's say if you want you just want your fashion to be the same font, and you can change the font of a part of your brand name, like you want to change it to be change the font of your stop. So let's see, let's select this. Let's firstly duplicate this, and then let's paste it here, and let's take it off, and let's take this part here off, and then let's drag and drop it here. And then now we can make changes to the font, how it needs to look, so we can make it uh, as stylish and as catchy as possible for our customers and viewers. So this may look quite good. So we can change the color of this, like just select this and you can make it the pink color. So this is how it looks like. So we can even resize this by dragging, and also you can even add any symbols and add any shapes so to your logo. And then you can even upload the images from your PC or your device. So let's go back to our original logo which we have just created. So this is how it looks like. So you can let's see how to download this, how to save this. So let's click on save and download, and then let's click on let's provide your email ID, and then click on save and continue. So I'll quickly provide my email. So now once you provide your email ID, this logo will be sent to your email ID in all the formats, like your PNG, JPG, and all the formats. And then you can view it there. And you can also, a point to be noted is, once you download the logo you can make it use anywhere, and the PNG file will give you transparent background, so preferably you can use the PNG format. And then if you in the future if you come back and want to edit your logo, you can use this URL that is provided here. So you can save it somewhere else, so that you can anytime edit your logo. And this is how you can make your logo in 5 minutes. So this is all for this video, guys. I hope you found this video useful to you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to PC Tips Pro. Thank you for watching, guys.